Oh, man. How many minutes do I put on this shit? Hold on. Nope, that's not the minutes. Hold up. Oh. Nope, that's not the minutes either. Hold on. Oh, right. Hold on. Oh. I'm feeling too good right now, yo. Wobbling all over the place and shit. Too many sips. That's good. Too many sips. I gotta make my food hot, you feel me? You know what I mean? Got that Bajan recipe inside the microwave right now, yo. Bajan, Barbados, all my Bajan people know. If y'all know, my Bajan people should know head cheese, yo. Yeah, Barbados, y'all know head cheese. Yes, sir.